Are you tired of manually logging time in Salesforce and getting billing wrong? Learn how to integrate Clockify in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click to set up the integration in just 5 simple steps. First, make sure you're on the AgentExchange, not the Salesforce official homepage. Go ahead and click on the search bar at the top of the page. Then type Clockify into the search field. From the results, click on Clockify Connect for Salesforce. Finally, click Get It Now to start the integration process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.